Yes, exactly. The penis and the clitoris are homologous organs, which means that both start from the same embryonic structure called the genital tubercle, and then hormones push development one way or the other, specifically testosterone. But even though in the DNA the sex of the fetus is determined at the time of fertilization, so whether they have two X chromosomes if they're going to be a female and XY if they're going to be male, the phenotypic, like the physically visible differentiation between the two sexes in humans is affected by like a myriad of genetic pathways. Now, at week 10 to 15, they are visibly still completely the same. And only after the first 18 to 20 weeks of the pregnancy, which, may I remind you, is half of the whole thing, can you see via ultrasound whether it's going to be a boy or a girl. Before that, you could know if you tested their DNA, but it wouldn't be any different in the fetal body at all. Now, as you can see in this picture, if I manage to move out the way. No, I cannot apparently, but as you can see here, the clitoris has a glans and a shaft containing erectile tissue, and it's very similar to the penis. The corpora cavernosa, this erectile tissue in the shaft, is in both organs and fills with blood during sexual arousal, causing erection, and that is why a vulva also gets more engorged and sensitive. So the clitoris isn't just some tiny bonus button, it's literally the same blueprint as the penis, just expressed differently. And that's why it has erectile tissue, a shaft, a hood and everything, and that deep internal structure I mentioned in my last video. And that's why Miriam's point is so good. You wouldn't just touch the very tip of a penis and call it a day. Same goes for the clitoris. It's not just the glans you see on the outside.